What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to roll over a 401k to Fidelity. Let's get straight into it. There are a couple of methods. The first is online rollover. So how you want to perform this is to first access your Fidelity account online and log into your account, and then once you're logged in, just choose the retirement option and select rollover a 401k. Now you're going to need to enter your 401k plan details, including the plan administrator and account number, and then just select how you want to roll over your 401k funds. That could be directly to a Fidelity IRA or to a new employer's plan. Then just review the rollover details carefully and submit the request to get that done. Now, if you want to do that through a phone rollover, what you want to do is to call Fidelity's customer service at the number right there on the screen, and then just share your 401k plan details with the representative and discuss your rollover options, and then the representative is going to guide you through the rest of the process. Now, for mail rollover, what you want to do is to download the rollover form from Fidelity's website, or you could just request one by mail, and then you need to complete the form providing your 401k plan details and rollover options, and then just send the complete form to Fidelity at the address listed on the form, and they're going to take care of the rest. Now, the required documents that you're going to need, of course, you're going to need a 401k plan document, so you're going to need to provide that, and that includes the plan summary and account statement. You're also going to need to provide identification. It could be a driver's license or it could be passport. So these are the two documents that you're going to need. Now, for types of rollovers, there are three types. There is the direct rollover, so a direct transfer of funds from your 401k plan to a Fidelity IRA. There's the indirect rollover, and that's a distribution from your 401k plan that you deposit into a Fidelity IRA within 60 days. And there's also a trustee to trustee transfer, and that's a direct transfer of funds from your 401k plan to a new employer's plan. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to roll over a 401k to Fidelity. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below and let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.